Welcome to another episode of Creative Income, the place where we creators learn together how to achieve financial freedom. This episode is going to be a little different. This is something that I thought would be a good idea, and I need your opinion on this if you think this is useful. My goal is to post a video like this on the beginning of each month with all the relevant news on the stock world, so you can be updated with everything that's going on, and also the shot list that I'm mixing from Shutterstock and Pond5. To show some gratitude for all your support, I want to give away one online course on stock footage and stock photography to one of you guys. Everyone participating before the end of August is also going to get a special discount code. This is pretty straightforward. Just go to creativeincome/giveaway, fill out the form. It's going to take less than a minute and you're good to go. I will disclose the winner in the 1st of September. There is a second very interesting giveaway, which is from Adobe Stock. They're going to give 22,000 subscriptions to Creative Cloud. There is no need to apply. If you already have an account at Adobe Stock and you're already a contributor, you're automatically participating. This is how it's going to work. There are two different plans that you can get. 20,000 Creative Cloud Photography 1-year subscriptions are going to be given to the first contributors to upload at least 300 accepted assets or earn $500 in 2018. They're also going to give 2,000 subscriptions of the Creative Cloud All Apps plan to the first contributors to upload 300 accepted video files or earn $500 with video. In both cases, you must maintain a historical acceptance rate of 50%. The giveaway was released in July, but there are still available packages. This has to be on your own account at Adobe Stock. Alright, so let's get to the main part of this video. I thought it would be a good idea to combine shot lists from Shutterstock and Pond5 and make my comments on them. This will help you get an overview of what is trending and what the market is buying today. This is also going to be useful for filmmakers, photographers, and illustrators. The whole content can also be found in text in Creative Income/August 2018. Shutterstock and Pond5 are two agencies that give these ideas of what you can shoot for the next month so you can increase your earnings. Women's health is a very big topic. There is a lot that you can explore on this. All aspects of women wellness, breastfeeding, fertility, menopause, also all kinds of medical devices related to cancer, mammography machines, women getting a mammogram. There's also a lot of search for cosmetic procedures, teeth straightening, eyelash extensions, and laser hair removal. There is also an increase on searches for Movember and photo booth props. Movember is a mix of mustache and November. This is an annual event that raises awareness on men's health issues, such as prostate cancer, testicular cancer, and men's suicide. There is going to be an increased demand for mustache and facial hair. So pictures, vectors, everything around mustache is going to have a very nice acceptance in the month of November. Keep in mind that many advertising agencies are already working on this, so hurry to have your files online way before November. Photo booth props for weddings, birthdays, and celebrations are also going to do well. Illustrations of accessories such as hats, glasses, masks, crowns, as well as lips and mustaches. Shutterstock also revealed that home improvement is a strong topic right now, so this is something that we can work on. General home repairs and refurbishments. Shutterstock is asking for before and after shots on carpet cleaning, general home repairs, refurbishments, people using professional equipment, stain removal, etc. August is also going to be a nice time to prepare for some holidays like Halloween, which is always strong, Dia de los Muertos, and Diwali, not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. So families celebrating Diwali at home, elements of Diwali celebrations including food and related image. Also some other festivals celebrated during Diwali. So this is something strong for you guys in India, which I know that a lot of you are. And also when the time for the celebration comes, try to make the most images you can so you can sell it on the next year. Halloween was always a strong subject. You can also explore it with other celebrations coming in October in the United States and internationally, such as Dia de los Muertos. If you can, try to focus on children and pets dressed up for Halloween. This is something that is going to be very fun, and probably there is not so much competition on that kind of images. There are also some interesting topics that Pond5 is asking for. According to Pond5, data centers are an immensely popular search, and if the shot is well executed, it can be quite lucrative. A technician working on a laptop or tablet, technicians also trying to solve a server malfunction, the endless wires coming out of the back of the machines. Of course, always check out what content already exists on Pond5, Shutterstock, and the other agencies. Try always to get a fresh and new visual approach. Pond5 is also looking for severe weather images or footage, and that means all kind of things you can think, like rainstorms, lightning storms, rain clouds, hurricanes, all kind of very strong weather conditions that you can think of. And last, another request from Pond5, people watching TV at home. The key here is going to be diversity. You can explore different ages, gender, race diversity, and all kind of angles. Try to focus on people using the remote, people eating and drinking while watching TV, family, couples, individuals, and all kinds of scenarios. In the living room, in bed, in the kitchen, even in their phones or tablets. This one is going to work in every country in the world, no matter where you are, or different styles of scenario. So this is definitely something that everyone should be trying for the month of August. If you are a Storyblocks contributor or former Videoblocks, you'll probably receive an email from their CEO, TJ Leonard. This email announces the company's new efforts to grow marketplace sales. Storyblocks was probably the only one to pay a commission rate of 100%. That was only possible because their business plan was based on subscription, so they bet they could make the marketplace free of rates. What they're saying is that to align their business needs and the marketing costs, they're going to change their commission rate to a 50-50 structure to video and photos. There has been some noise from the contributors, and some of them are saying that they will take their content out of Storyblocks, as we discussed in the footage versus photography video. Storyblocks is not that big for photographers, but has a considerable participation in the footage market. To be honest, I was surprised that they had no commission at all, and kind of expected this would happen someday. Although 50% is a big rate, and I do agree with that, I have to remind you that this is the lowest rate when comparing to the other big agencies. Shutterstock takes 70%, Adobe Stock takes 65%, and Pond5 takes also 50%. My personal decision is to keep my files there, at least for now, because if they're really investing in marketing, and we have to check that, I would say that I prefer to get 50% of something than getting 100% of almost nothing. I'm going to trust them for this first month and check if these marketing efforts are going to increase sales, because yeah, if it does get better, this means a better income in the end. And this is what the company promises for the next months. Short approval times, new portfolio pages, and increased promotion of our contents. The last one makes me look to it with positive eyes. So guys, thank you so much for being with me in this channel. This is something that I'm enjoying a lot. I'm answering most of your comments because I really appreciate that. Thanks for watching once again, and see you on the next video.